So this screen isn't Plan Page. We're looking at an example of what your current task software might look like. You have task names, assignments, due dates, and next to each task is a checkbox. A task is either not done or it's done. This type of task list is great for, say, a grocery list. But wedding planning is a little more involved than a run to the store. These tasks are not done. But an unchecked box doesn't indicate if this is being worked on right now. This is the next task to start. Or this is upcoming but not ready quite yet. These tasks are both done. But can you tell which one requires follow-up for confirmation and which is actually complete? In Plan Page, tasks don't have a checkbox. They have a status. Let's take a look. This is a task list for Allison and Ryan's wedding. There is a status drop-down for each task. The idea is that as you and your clients move through the planning process, you update task statuses as things progress. Backlog is for tasks that need to get done at some point, but not anytime soon. Upcoming is for tasks you pull from the backlog, but aren't quite ready to start. Ready, pretty straightforward, is for tasks ready to be worked on. This status is great for delegating to your team and clients. In progress is for tasks currently being worked on. The last two statuses are for tasks that are done. Completed means the work for this task is done, but there is still follow-up or confirmation needed. And finally, closed means this task is done and we don't have to come back to it for anything. Task statuses are a great way to visualize the entire planning process. We're currently on the list view. Let's switch over to the board view. Each status has a column, and each task is shown on its own card. You can drag and drop tasks into other status columns and also rearrange tasks within a status. This is great for prioritizing or designating the order that tasks should be worked on. Let's talk about the backlog because it's a bit different from the other statuses. Tasks in backlog are only visible to you and your team. They're never visible to clients. Even if you've assigned a task to a client, while it's in backlog, they won't see it until it's placed into another status. Why did we design it this way? The last thing you want to do as a planner is overwhelm your clients. Imagine them logging into the portal and seeing a humongous task list. Instead, you can make tasks available to clients as needed rather than all at once. When a client is done with a task, they can log into their portal and set it to completed, but the closed status is not available to them. That way, you can review tasks they've completed, but it's up to you as the planner to determine if it's closed or if it still needs some work. If you have any questions, our friendly support team is here to help. Visit planpage.com or click the in-app support button. Happy planners, happy clients with Plan Page.